My name is Rose and I'm from Richmond SDA Church. I'm going to be talking about what I learned during this camp. What I learned during this camp, I learned about depression. When you have depression, it's more like you're having stress. Hello, my name is Ethan Matikanda. I'm from Richmond Church. I want to talk about what I learned from this camp meeting. I learned about crew power. Did you know geese flew in a V-shape? The geese in the front creates air, so the geese at the back can fly. So this makes less energy. And if one geese is hurt, 3 or 4 geese are left behind. So they can help us geese. If the geese use up, they follow the others. If it dies, the other geese goes. Fundamental belief number 14. Did you know a church is a family of